Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when no sound plays after you connect your earbuds with a phone. Firstly, we need to restart audio player. So let's say you listen to music in SoundCloud or Apple Music or your browser. You need to remove this application from the cache and then open it again. Now check, maybe it fixes your problem. Also I recommend it to check if you have the last version of this application. So go to the App Store or Google Play and check it and update if you haven't. Next one, we need to update software version. So open LG TONE Free application, and if you add your earbuds to the application, you will see them right here in the application. So you need to scroll down, and at the bottom we have software update. You just click on it and you check for updates. It said that I have the last software version. If you haven't, also install a new one. Also, what can help you? I recommended to restart your device. So I use these earbuds with my phone and I need to restart this phone and then check it. And the last one, if all of these methods didn't help you, we should perform a factory reset. To perform a factory reset, you need to put your earbuds to the charging case, and then at the top we have these dots, and this is touch areas. So you need to press and hold at the both of these dots until the LED light on the front side start blinking red. First they start blinking blue, it's okay, just enter to break mode, you keep holding these touch areas. And now we have this red LED light, so you can release your fingers, and firstly we need to remove these earbuds from the phone. So go to the settings, then Bluetooth, and at the device list click the information icon or settings icon near to your earbuds. Forget this device and forget device. Now, if you have Android, at the top click Pair New Device, and after a factory reset, these earbuds enter to brink mode automatically. So you just tap on it at the device list, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave a like on the video. See you later!